Hello everyone, good morning. I am Shivam, a student of second year B, Right Daryaganj. Today we are diving into a topic that may sound a little technical, but it is actually at the heart of transforming education in India. Capacity building, especially for teachers. And yes, we will also look at what NEP 2020 says about it. So let's start with the basics. Capacity building means improving the skills, knowledge, and confidence of individuals or organizations so that they can do their job better. In education, this simply means helping teachers, school leaders, and even institutions to be more effective. Whether it is through their better training, more resources, or updated tools. It is like sharpening your axe before chopping wood. Teachers are already working hard, but capacity building helps them work smarter and more effectively. So, why is capacity building important for teachers? Think about it. Teachers are the backbone of our education system, but teaching today is not what it used to be 20 years ago. We now have digital classrooms, diverse learners with different needs, new subjects, and skills like coding, critical thinking, and life skills. So, how do we expect teachers to keep up? Through capacity building, it gives teachers new knowledge like how to use ICT tools in class, better teaching strategies for both slow learners and fast ones, confidence to deal with real classroom challenges. It's not just about sending teachers to training workshop once a year. It's about ongoing learning and support. Let's take a look of NEP 2010. What NEP 2020 says about capacity building. The National Education Policy 2020 or NEP 2020 puts huge importance on this. It says that teachers should not just be information providers but facilitators of learning. And for that, they need to be trained continuously. Some key points from NEP 2020. First, continuous professional development CPD. Every teacher should get 50 hours of training every year to update their skills. Second, use of online platforms like Diksha and Nistha for free flexible learning. Third, more autonomy and support for teachers to innovate in their classroom. So, in simple words, NEP 2020 believes that a well-trained, well-supported teacher can transform the education system. Capacity building is not just about adding tools to your toolkit. It's about nurturing the person behind the professor. It means giving teachers the support they deserve, the time to reflect, and the freedom to grow, not just professionally but personally too. When a teacher feels confident, respected, and valued, that energy passes on to their students. It creates a chain of learning that goes far beyond textbooks. You matter, your growth matters, and we are with this you on this journey. So, next time we talk about improving education, let's not just think about building or technology. Let's think about people. Thank you for joining me today on Capacity Building. Keep believing, keep learning. Thank you. Have a great day.